I've been in healthcare for over 25 years, and for a long time, I didn't share my perspective publicly. I focused on the work, showing up, learning, growing, and just doing what needed to be done. But lately, I've realized that maybe it's time to start sharing. Hi there, I'm Kisha Pickford, a nurse practitioner with over 25 years of experience. And on this channel, I share real talk about what it's like working in healthcare and some of the lessons I've learned along the way. And this isn't something I decided overnight. For a long time, my focus was on doing the work, learning what I needed to learn, growing into my role, taking care of people, and just continuing to move forward in my career. And when you're in that space, you're not always thinking about sharing. You're thinking about responsibility, consistency, showing up day after day. And for me, that was enough at the time. Sharing publicly just wasn't something I prioritized. But over time, something has started to shift. As I gained more experience, I started noticing something. There are a lot of things about healthcare that people don't fully understand. Not because they don't want to, but because no one has really explained it in a simple, honest way. A lot of what happens in healthcare is complex. And for the person on the outside, you only see a small part of it. But behind the scenes, there's a lot of thought, decision making, and responsibility that people don't always get to see. And that realization has stayed with me. And I realized I'm not here to tell people what to do. I'm not here to criticize. I'm not here to speak negatively about anything. I'm here to help people understand because understanding makes a difference. It helps people feel more informed, more confident, and it helps them to make better decisions about their health. And sometimes just having a clearer perspective can change how someone experiences healthcare altogether. And as I thought about this more and more, I also realized something about myself. I've spent years building knowledge and experience, but also growing as a person, learning how to navigate challenges, learning how to communicate, learning how to see people beyond just what's in front of me. And now I feel like I'm in a place where I can share that. Not in a perfect way, not in a scripted way, but in a real way. And that's what this space is about. This space is about perspective, insight, reflection, and conversations that help people better understand healthcare and the life within it. Because healthcare, well, is not just clinical, it's human. And the more we understand that, the better we can navigate it. And I'll do that in a way that stays true to me. Not everything needs to be shared all at once, and not everything needs to be said in detail. I'll always be mindful about how I share things in a way that is respectful, professional, and responsible, because that matters to me. That is me. And I want this space to feel safe, not just for me, but for the message I'm trying to share. So when I ask myself, why now? Why am I sharing now? Well, it's because I think it's time to use my voice in a different way. Time to take what I've learned and share it. Share it in a way that can help someone else, even if it's just one person understanding something just a little bit better. Well, I don't know who will see this today or maybe years from now, but this is my story and this is my perspective. I'm Kisha Pickford. Thank you for listening and being here today. I will see you in the next episode. Bye.